In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to improve your CV. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to make a change, a well-crafted CV is crucial. And with the help of ChatGPT, you can take your CV to the next level. Let's get started. Let's see how ChatGPT can help us improve your CV right now. You can either copy the text from your CV and paste it right here into the ChatGPT input box, or you could use the file attachment feature right here by simply clicking on this, and you can either connect to Google Drive, connect to Microsoft OneDrive, or upload it from your computer. But I'll just use this option right here. Then select the CV file I have in my computer, then open, and voila! It just attached right here in the input. So after you either attached your selected CV file or pasted your text in the input here, proceed by typing out or putting together a clear and detailed instruction to ChatGPT to ensure you get the best feedback. For instance, here's what I put together. This is the prompt. Please review my CV for any improvements. Also, give me suggestions on enhancing job descriptions, highlighting key achievements, and correcting any grammatical errors. So let's see how ChatGPT processes this request. Let's go. As you can see right here, this is how ChatGPT would help out with each element or sections that need improving. While also doing this, ChatGPT gathered every information from the document that I just sent right here. So while it's currently processing right now, you'll start to notice as ChatGPT would analyze the structure, check for common errors, and offer suggestions along the way on how to make your CV stand out. So here are the suggestions right here. It's currently listing right here. So you can take your time to review the suggestions. After doing so, you can start by making the edits directly on your CV document, or better yet, have ChatGPT, our old buddy right here, help you out in the following steps. One of the most common areas for improvement in a CV is your list of job experiences, previous job experiences. Let's have ChatGPT once again help us enhance them right now. You can start by copying one of your job experiences from your CV document and pasting it into the ChatGPT input box like this one. For instance, I picked the marketing manager as my previous job experience. So next, provide clear instructions to ChatGPT to improve the job description. You might say something like, can you help me enhance this job experience of mine to be more specific and impactful? So let's see how ChatGPT processes this prompt that I'll be sending over right now. So you can see this might take a while. Here we go. This is how ChatGPT is currently processing. So as it goes on, notice that the difference? The improved version is more specific and provides a measurable result. This makes your previous job experiences much more compelling to potential employers. With this process, this helps ensure each job experience not only lists your responsibilities, but also showcases better your accomplishments and the impact you made in your previous roles. However, we're not done yet. There's another way, an easier way, I must say, to help enhance your previous job experience information through the use of ChatGPT's memory feature. Speaking of which, there's a full video I discussed about this feature, so if you'd like to know more, click the video link above right here. Just click it. But for quick context, the memory feature allows ChatGPT to remember details you share across sessions to provide more personalized and coherent responses. For this particular segment, here's what I'll do first. Ask ChatGPT, like, please remember all my previous job experiences that were listed in the CV document I just sent you. So here we go, and let's see how ChatGPT would respond. As you can see, memory updated. With this, ChatGPT will be more familiarized and have its results generated more relevant on the context of your prompt. Then you can type or put together your prompt without any support of a text information from your CV. Here's what I'll simply ask, like, as you can see, here's what I put together, like, can you help me enhance my job experience as a digital marketing specialist? My apologies for that, to be more specific and impactful. Same thing, but there's no text, any details from my CV document. So let's see. As you can see right here, with the help of the memory feature, ChatGPT is still able for your selected chosen job experience to refine its details better. See? Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now let's focus on highlighting your key achievements. These accomplishments are what sets you apart from other candidates. You can either copy the relevant sections, specifically the key achievements, just like this one, from under each of your previous job experiences of your CV, and then pasting them into the ChatGPT input box right here. Or just like the previous segment, have ChatGPT remember the details of your CV document and let it update in its memory storage right here, like this one. So after you did either of those, you can ask ChatGPT right here to help you identify and emphasize the key achievements within these sections. For example, you might type or put together, then paste it right here, like, can you help me highlight the key achievements in this job experience when I was a marketing coordinator? As you can see, I did the latter with just the memory feature I just did last segment. So after you could send this over, ChatGPT will analyze the text and provide suggestions that bring out your most important contributions. So let's see how it transforms the example. So notice how the revised text highlights everything, your achievements, what you did back when you're marketing coordinator, like marketing materials production, social media management, email marketing execution, then trade show success, marketing excellence award, lead generation. Yeah, here we go. Tailoring your CVs for different job applications can significantly increase your chances of landing an interview. Let's see how ChatGPT, our old buddy right here, can help us personalize your CV for a specific role. Start by identifying the job you're applying for and copying the job description or key requirements. So let's say I'm applying for a marketing manager and I just copied the job description. Then paste the information into ChatGPT along with the request to tailor your CV for this role. As you can see right here, it's just like I said, marketing manager right here. So you might type or put together your prompt like, can you help me tailor my CV for a marketing manager position, highlighting my experience in digital marketing, team leadership, and content strategy? So once I posted this right now, as you can see, it's currently processing. ChatGPT will then analyze the job requirements and suggest personalized content that aligns your skills and experiences with the job. So let's see right here. this is how it's transforming your CV right here to fit the marketing manager role. Here we go. So notice how it's getting more and more personalized based on the role that you want to apply. So this shows that employers, right here, this shows employers that you've thoughtfully aligned your CV with the role. As you can see right here, it gets more and more detailed with each of your previous job experiences and the key achievements. It's quite a lot, though. It's quite a lot. There we go. Education, skills, certifications, professional affiliation, and yeah, perfect. Now that we've made specific improvements, it's time for a final review and polish. Let's have ChatGPT once again to assist us in this crucial step. Start by pasting your updated. Now that we've made specific improvements, it's time for a final review and polish. So here's what I typed right here. Now that ChatGPT has all the data from my CV, all the information, now that everything, all the sections, or some sections that I really need were now tailored and refined and specified, here's what I asked. Can you review my CV for any final improvements and ensure it is polished and professional? So let's hit enter right here and see how it goes. So while it's currently processing right here, ChatGPT will analyze your CV one last time, looking for any remaining areas of improvement, such as formatting inconsistencies, redundant phrases, or minor grammatical errors. So here we go. As you can see with this process, it helps catch any small errors you might have missed and ensure your CV looks professional and well organized. By using ChatGPT for a final review, you can be confident that your CV is in top shape and ready to make a strong impression on potential employers. And there you have it. With the help of ChatGPT, you can transform your CV into a powerful tool that highlights your strengths and achievements. Have a great day, everyone.